All right, Springfield Echelon. My quick takeaways: the grip is super comfortable. 3 different back straps. I currently have the small on here just because I have really fat, beefy hands. Next for me is the trigger. The trigger is super clean. Take up very minimal. Break, crisp, reset, very nice. Optics compatible. They have a pin system which is patent pending right now. I think it's like 30 different optics. You'll fix that up here if I'm wrong. And then also for me, the takedown is super nice. It has a takedown lever very similar to the SIG 320. You're gonna lock the slide back, flip that lever down, release the slide, and it pops off. So that's super nice. I love being able to get into my gun super easy and get in there nice and clean it up and things like that. So yeah, now we're gonna do some shooting and see how it shoots. Boom, boom, exactly. Boom, boom. Okay. Oh.
Gotta say, Jacob, I absolutely love this Echelon. I think it's a perfect buy. I think it's a new handgun with roughly almost no cons. The grip feels great. Everything you said is completely accurate. And I really like how they give you a 21 round mag.
I'm actually glad you brought that up because it comes with a 121 round and a 17 round mag. They also include a +2 extension, so you can always add that onto the 17 rounder. But yeah, the mag capacity is great. I love those extended mags for the grip and everything. So yeah.
I think Springfield really stepped their game up with the Echelon. I think it's a perfect buy if you're not looking for a Glock and want something more ergonomic. And yeah, I have nothing but great things to say about it. You got anything else to add?
I would say it's definitely worth checking out. I would give it a shot. If you're in the market and don't already have a striker fired pistol, I would say get into the Echelon.
Awesome. Well, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe for more videos, and we'll see you next time.